This is going to be a video tutorial on how to fill text with an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. This right here is what I'm going to create. It is text filled with an image. To do that, it's very easy to do. I'm going to select this and I'm going to delete it. Start all over. You need to insert your image and then insert a text box. I'm going to go up to the top up here. I'm going to click on the Insert tab. I'm going to go down to where it says Pictures. I'm going to click on Pictures. My image is on my device, so I'm going to click on this device. I'm going to find my image on my device. My image is right here. I'm going to go down and click on Insert. Next thing you want to do, you might want to stretch your image out to cover your slide. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you want to insert a text box. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to where it says Insert. I'm going to click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the right to where it says Text Box. I'm going to click on Text Box. Then I'm going to go down to my slide. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and I'm going to drag out a text box. Probably want to make it kind of big. Now I'm going to choose my font. I'm going to go up to the top. You probably want a bold font. I'm going to click on the font. I'm going to go down. I'm going to choose this one right here, Acme font. And I'm going to make it bold. Now I'm going to type out what I want the text to read. I'm going to go up to the top up here. I'm going to center my text. I'm going to center both lines. Now I'm going to select all my text and I'm going to enlarge the text. I'm going to make it about 96. I might pull out on the sides, make it a little bit bigger. Just about like that. Now the next thing you want to do, I'm going to click off of my slide. Now I'm going to hold down the Control key. I'm going to click on my picture and then I'm going to click on my text to where I have them both selected. I have both my picture and my text selected. I'm going to go up to the top up here to where it says Shape Format. I'm going to click on Shape Format. Then on the ribbon, I'm going to go down to the left to where it says Merge Shapes. I'm going to click on Merge Shapes. And then I'm going to select Intersect. Intersect. Now I could enlarge my text or I can make it smaller. I can move my text around. That is how to fill text with an image in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.